Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Financeable, where we upload videos related to finance, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to use Apple Pay on BetMGM. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. Now let's get started. First of all, open your web browser. Then on the search bar, type in betmgm.com. Once you press enter, it will take you to this page. In this page, you'll have to select your location. So from this list, select your location. Once you do that, it will take you to its homepage. Now, once you're on this homepage, you'll have to log into your account, and in case if you don't have an account, you can create one by clicking on this register button. Once you have your account, click on the login button, and then it will ask you to enter your login credentials. In case if you have forgotten your login password, click on this link to reset it, and once you have filled up your information correctly, click on this login button. Once you log in, to use your Apple Pay card, all you have to do is click on this deposit button, and then on the left hand side where it says choose payment method, you can choose Apple Pay option. Once you click on it, it will ask you to enter your card details, and once you enter the information correctly, you can use your card to deposit some amount. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. And I'll catch you on the next one.